Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to restarting your computer every day can speed things up on the computer. Basically, your computer builds up temporary files, background processes, it has memory usage over time, and restarting all that kind of clears it out. So it gives your system a fresh start, improves the performance, and could help speed up a slower computer, especially for anyone who's never restarted the computer or do not do it very often. So your first, easiest, most simplest form to restart, clicking on the Windows icon. This pulls up the menu that you can have the power button on the right hand side. Click it, restart, you're good. And this is a Windows 11. Yours may be different if it's a Windows 10, Linux, and so forth, but they all have a restart. Now, some things that are more specific to Windows, you can also get to this by holding down the Windows icon key, selecting the R button at the same time, pulling up your Run command box, and typing in shutdown /R for restart /F to force it /T for time and the number of seconds in which you want to wait before your restart starts, 0 if you want it to restart immediately. Click OK, computer restarts, ready to go. Now, probably not the easiest thing to do. You can just select the menu, power button, restart. Absolutely. Another option would be to Alt and F4 and pulls up basically that same menu to restart with all your options. Switching users, signing out, restart, update and restart if you haven't updated the computer. All those will be available as well. Now, you can also Control Alt Delete and pull up the Task Manager, lock, switch user screen, and your power button will be in the right hand corner, restart option. Now you'll also have a power button icon whenever you're logged out of the desktop as well. You'll see that on the screen there. Now you may want to set this up to actually do it itself, automate it. And to automate it, you can go into the task scheduler. So just Windows icon, start menu, type in task, find the task scheduler, pull it up, and what you want to do is create a task. This way you'll have all the options. If you create basic task, it's going to limit your options. So name it, reboot, or whatever else you want to name it. Put a description in of what you want to let yourself know in the future of what this does. It's always a good idea to keep notes. Alright, now down here you want to click run whether the user is logged in or not. This way, even when you are doing other things, you're away from your computer, you're logged off, the computer will still restart on its own. This will require you to put in your password and store it for it to log in itself and restart. Next is your trigger. What action is going to happen to cause this to start? So selecting on schedule and then daily, change this time to whatever makes sense for you. When you're not actually working, you're not currently on your computer a lot, pick a time that you typically are not on the computer. And then actions. What's it going to do? New, it's going to start a program. That program is going to be shut down, just like you typed in before, and then putting in your arguments. /R to restart and not just shut down, /F to force it to happen. So if there's anything actively open, Windows, things like that, it'll still shut it all down. And then your time in seconds of when you want it to shut down, 0 or any amount of seconds you want to put in there. Click OK, then conditions. Now, it's a good idea to select start the task only if the computer is idle for X amount of time. That way, if you're currently actively using your computer at a time you typically wouldn't, that it's set to restart, well, this is going to hold it up until you have gone idle for whatever time you're putting in here. And then your settings, This is basically if it fails, if it doesn't do it, when can you put it back in there? If it you want to select the run task as soon as possible after the schedule start is missed. So if you were doing something for one reason or another, it wasn't able to reboot, selecting the run task as soon as possible will allow this to get set and run when it's ready. Then you click OK, put in your password, and well, this an error occurred because for the task reboot, the folder name is already exists because I've already created this. So it's giving me an error because of that. And to see all the things that I have currently in my task scheduler, select the task scheduler library, and here it is. There's that reboot. All right. I hope you enjoy this. Hope you learned a little bit. Hope it helped. If it did, please select the like button. Follow me for more tech advice, and we'll see you soon. Thanks.